Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake cake batter pie. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need one 3.4 ounce package of instant Jell-O pudding and 1 cup of milk, 2/3 cup of the Funfetti cake mix, an 8 ounce tub of Cool Whip or whip topping, or you can make your own, a 9 or 10 inch graham cracker pie crust that's already done, and then a 1/4 cup of sprinkles plus more to garnish. If you are afraid to use the raw cake mix, then you could just spread it out on a baking sheet and bake it for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Let it cool completely and then you can use it. First we're going to prepare our pudding, so I just have my pudding mix and my milk in a small bowl, and I'm just going to whisk that until it's all incorporated and set it to the side. That looks great to me. It's all incorporated. So next I am going to add my pudding mixture into my cake whipped topping mixture and just fold it until it's all combined. That is nice and combined. So next we are just going to add our sprinkles in there and just give those a good mix. That looks great. So let's go ahead and put it into our graham cracker crust. That looks great. So next we're just going to put a lid on this and put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. My pie is out of the refrigerator, so I'm going to cut it up, and I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. We've got a nice piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.